Today evening, eating some fried Korean chicken in a Korean fried chicken restaurant. I have tried KFC chicken fried chicken, McDonald's fried chicken, Lotera fried chicken here in South Korea. But eating this Korean restaurant fried chicken is delicious than the others I just named before. As for me, so I don't know about others, but I think this is the best. It's very delicious. So guys, enjoy this chicken with me, and please, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, help the channel to grow, and also don't forget to hit that notification bell so you get notified anytime I drop a new content. I love you guys. Let me enjoy the chicken with my friend. Thanks. Oh, I love this mixture, the mixture of cider, which is Sprite and beer. I love this mixture. It's very good. Try it. Cider with beer. It's very good. Let's try it. Okay, the chicken is finished. We have eaten everything. So guys, you know I love you all. Stay safe out there. One love, and please don't forget to subscribe.